I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Sign up on Rev using your email and complete the required application steps. Read the transcription guidelines carefully and pass the grammar and accuracy test. Confirm your payment method and enable two-factor authentication for account security. Wait for Rev to review your application materials and microphone sample according to their checklist. Expect a notification about qualification status and initial order availability within about 48 hours. Once approved, explore the dashboard to view available jobs and audio lengths. Open the Jobs tab and accept a job that matches your skill and available time. Download the audio or stream it inside the Rev editor to maintain fidelity. Listen to a full minute to set playback speed and check audio quality before typing. Transcribe verbatim unless the style guide requests edits, and insert timestamps every 30 seconds or at speaker changes. Label speakers when identifiable and follow any requested casing or spellings. Proofread for at least 99% accuracy before final submission. Prioritize accuracy and adherence to Rev style guides to avoid revision requests and rejections. Manage workload by estimating that you can produce between 15 and 30 minutes of clean transcript per hour. Use headphones, noise reduction, and variable playback speeds to improve efficiency without losing accuracy. Track your active jobs and deadlines in the dashboard to meet client turnaround expectations. Link your PayPal account in settings to receive weekly payments and monitor earnings per audio minute on the earnings page.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.